Hello, good morning guys. Let me tour you around Club Balay Isabel here in Talisay, Batangas. I am here today with my family, so I'm very happy. I booked our 2 rooms via agoda.com. Pagpunta niyo rito, papuntang Talisay, very scenic ang lugar. Syempre naman, kita ang Taal Volcano. First time here in Balay Isabel.
Hi Kuya, we're checking in.
It's good na mahigpit ang kanilang security. Hindi ka basta makakapasok without the necessary documents. There are plenty of parking space at dito kami na ilagay sa Balay Recto sa 2nd floor. So this is the room, pan entry. Okay, maganda naman siya. Okay, this is our first time here. Malaki naman pala. There's 2 beds. Okay, ito yung kanilang for the closet. Nice is that it has a balcony. Okay. Malaki naman. Cute naman siya. The restroom. Ang bathtub pero okay na rin. Big naman. Malinis din naman. There's also a ref. May TV. Pwede na sa mga bata. And that's me. Itong room ng kids. Siyempre, malalaki na sila. Hindi na pwedeng sumama sa amin. Hindi na kami kakasya sa isang king size bed. Ngayon, kanya-kanya na. Kawai, Labi! Why are you hiding there?
So, do we need that thing?
Same naman yung room. So, okay. Same ang room. In fairness, ang sarap ng kape nila. This is actually 3-in-1 but not the 3-in-1 na instant. Yung bits and pieces of the coffee you can still feel. I also like that they used glass bottles for the water. So, di ba, lessen yung wastage tsaka yung ating pagkakalat ng mga plastic bottles. Dahil napakalaki ng lugar na ito, meron silang provided na ride for the clients. Boyfriend! Club Balay Isabel at night.
Ayan o, bukas pa, bilyaran.
Crescent moon for tonight. Here at Club Balay Isabel. Iikot muna kami at titignan kung saan kami magdi-dinner. They said merong 4 restaurants dito. This pier is for bar and restaurant. Hindi kami rin kakain dito dahil di naman kami iinom. My children. The pool area at night. Ito pa yung isang restaurant nila. Dito naman buffet ito. Pero dahil mahina kami mag-buffet, we're not gonna eat here. Meron ding singer dito that you can enjoy to watch and hear. This is their 3rd restaurant. So, ito-try namin dito ngayon kumain at kumintang. Hello guys, good evening. Ang saya-saya ng nanay na ito kasi kumpleto ang aming mga anak. Ayan o, bakasyon. Ang twins nandyan. At syempre, boyfriend ko. We are here in Club Balay Isabel in Talisay, Batangas. First time namin to. Maliliit pa sila. I wanted to go. Hindi natutuloy lagi. Ngayon, finally, natuloy. Kaya ito, kakain muna kami. Ang ganda dito at may pakantahan. So, pwede sa mga gustong bumili. Family date. Family gimmick. You gotta be brave, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. Smile up. Smile, my love. Smile, my lovest. Yum pizza. Sarap. With this bill, pwede na, at least hindi na kami lumabas. The lobby at night, very quiet. Burning the food that we ate. At walking distance lang ang 7-Eleven. Enjoying our time here at Club Balay Isabel. First time namin. At syempre masaya ako kasi ang mga anak ko ay kumpleto. Andito kaming lahat. Nagkasabay-sabay ang kanilang bakasyon. Bukas, balik na uli sa Manila. Happiness is spending time with my children and my husband. Happiness is going someplace new na sabay-sabay naming mai-experience. Maliliit pa sila, I wanted to go to this place. Pero lagi siyang fully booked. Meron naman talaga pag bago ang lugar. Laging tinatry ng mga tao nagmamadaling itry. Ngayon na malalaki na sila, I'm happier kasi yan. Kasama na namin silang gumigimik. It's a good morning. Maganda rin pala dito. Morning is nice kasi yan, konti pa lang tao, wala pa ring araw. I'm supposed to do this yoga thingy. May 30-minute yoga doon sa beach, pero dito na lang, ganda pa rin naman. Hello, good morning. That's the lobby. The pool na nililinis pa. And the beach is just right there. So this is a beautiful place. Maybe we'll consider being a member. Why not, diba? Ganda eh. Food. Smile, darling. Okay. Thank you, kuya. We're having food.
Isisig na lang.
Isisig na lang kulang. Happiness. This is Clubhouse for Dario. Chicken for sharing. Lumpiang Shanghai for sharing. This is for the kids. And there's the sisig and the pancit. Oh, so ang dami nating food. Okay. Burger is for Dad's chop suey. Pancit. Oh, yummy. Oh, the sisig is for the sisig girl. Dad, what can you say?
Malaking servings nila for the price.
Commensurate for the price nila. Oo nga guys, malaki nga yung servings nila. So if you're here, don't be afraid to eat here at Terraza Cafe in Club Balay Isabel, in Talisay, Batangas. Yung pancit nila, approved sa amin kasi hindi maalat, masarap. Tama ba, Dad?
Yeah, sarap.
How about the chicken? I was gonna say something for the chicken. One. Did the chicken?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Tastes good? Okay. So, sa sisig ate.
It's not crunchy, but
It's not crunchy. Crunchyhin niyo pa konti. Clubhouse sandwich, Dad.
Clubhouse, masarap.
Masarap. Okay. Very good yung inyong clubhouse sandwich. How about the lumpia, ate?
I don't know.
How's the burger? Masarap daw. So, okay naman lahat ng food nila. Na-enjoy naman namin lahat. Sarap. Okay, so babalikan? Yes? Pwedeng balikan? Oh yes, they like it here. Our bill is 3,146. Ang service charge nila ay 10%. Okay na rin. Sulit ba?
The rice.
Sulit, ate? Sulit?
How much is that?
Sulit? Alright. Happiness is going somewhere with my lovies. My boyfriend. My lovies. Kaway naman dyan, baby boy.
I'm holding a lot.
Ate. Ayan, so happy ako ngayon. Lalong-lalo na dito sa boyfriend ko. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you're planning to go here, up to you to experience. We were happy and I hope you will be happy too.